The Master Tung Acupuncture system is fast gaining popularity and patients' acceptance worldwide. The system is based on classical channel theory and holographic principles. There is a debate as to whether Master Tung Acupuncture is superior to the TCM acupuncture system, or the TCM acupuncture is more superior to the Tung system. This debate is totally unnecessary and has created many problems and confusion. It has also caused many acupuncturists to be slow in improving their skills. The truth lies in the combination of both systems. When TCM acupuncture meets the Tung system, magic happens. Clinics that embrace both TCM and Tung acupuncture consistently witness improved clinical results. Fewer needles are used, and the results are at times instantaneous. I am Master Visuddhi Lee from Malaysia, and I am your guide into the world of the Tung system. My mission is to empower acupuncturists worldwide with the knowledge and skills of the Tung system. I have written the world's first books on combining the Tung and TCM schools of acupuncture. These books are a must-read for all acupuncturists. Come this October and November, I will be conducting Master Tung acupuncture workshops in several cities in India. These workshops will give you a clear comprehension on the theory and application of Tung points. The management of diseases like OA of knees, low back pain, shoulder pain, neck pain, sciatica, infertility, stroke, and many other common disorders will be discussed. If you have been looking to upgrade your acupuncture skills quickly, you have found it. I look forward to our meeting and taking your practice to the next level. See you guys.